Ever feel like your favorite songs sound flat at home? You've got great speakers, but streaming just isn't the same. Maybe your classic amp can't keep up with today's music apps. Or you're tired of tangled wires and clunky setups. I totally get it. Modern music deserves modern sound. That's why I tried the Bluesound Node Nano. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. This tiny box is a game changer for any audio system. Inside, it packs a quad-core 1.8 GHz ARM Cortex A43 processor, plus an ESS ES9039Q2M SABRE DAC for crystal clear sound. You get up to 24-bit 192 kHz high-resolution audio. It's like hearing your favorite tracks for the first time. Setup is super simple. Just connect to your existing amp or speakers. No need to replace your gear, just upgrade it. The BluOS multi-room platform brings seamless streaming. Revitalize your old stereo with wireless high-res music. You can group it with other Bluesound players for multi-room sound. Play the same song everywhere, or different tunes in each room. It supports stereo RCA, optical, coaxial, and USB outputs, so it fits into almost any setup, old or new. Want convenience? It's got AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Tidal Connect. MQA and DSD playback are supported, future-proofing your system. Dual-band Wi-Fi and gigabit Ethernet keep your music streaming smooth. Bluetooth with aptX adaptive means you can stream from your phone too. It even learns your IR remote for easy control. 2 quick-touch presets let you jump to your favorites instantly. Wall mounting is a breeze if you want it off your shelf. And the design? Minimalist, compact, and fits anywhere. Let's see it in action. I'm connecting the Node Nano to my vintage amp. Plug in the RCA cables, power it up, and open the BluOS app. Within seconds, my amp is streaming lossless music wirelessly. The sound is instantly richer, more detailed, and immersive. Switching to another room? Just group speakers in the app. Now, the whole house is filled with music. No lag, no dropouts. Trying out Spotify Connect. Just tap and play from my phone. Or use Tidal Connect for those hi-fi tracks. AirPlay 2 lets me stream straight from my Apple devices. Gapless playback means no awkward pauses between songs. It's perfect for parties or just relaxing after work. Even my old CD collection sounds better streamed through here. The Node Nano breathes new life into every listening session. No more frustration with outdated tech or complicated systems. It's all about enjoying music the way it's meant to be heard. Setup takes minutes, and the difference is immediate. Audiophile-grade sound wirelessly in every corner of your home. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Just plug, play, and enjoy. The Node Nano adapts to your lifestyle and your space. Whether you're into vinyl, streaming, or both, it fits right in. Upgrade your living room, bedroom, or even your office. Expand your system anytime by adding more Bluesound players. Everything syncs perfectly for a true multi-room experience. Love deep bass and sparkling highs? You'll hear every detail. From jazz to rock, podcasts to playlists, it all sounds amazing. The Node Nano is built for serious music lovers, but it's just as friendly for casual listeners too. No more juggling devices or tangled wires, just pure, uninterrupted enjoyment. And if you ever move or redecorate, it moves with you. Compact enough for any shelf, stylish enough for any room. So if you want to transform your audio experience, bring your old system into the future with Node Nano. Enjoy audiophile-grade sound without the hassle. Seamless streaming, versatile connections, and effortless control. Rediscover your music collection in stunning detail. Share the experience across every room in your home. Ready to upgrade? The Bluesound Node Nano is waiting. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Step into living hi-fi, wireless, digitally perfect sound. Don't just listen. Experience music like never before. Check out the Bluesound Node Nano and elevate your home audio today.